Dulce De Leche Pudding is ready. Taste time! Yummy! Hi everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today I'm making Dulce De Leche Pudding or DDL Pudding. Last episode I showed you how to make DDL the easy method. The link is in the description box below. First, in a saucepan, add corn flour and add sugar, brown sugar, egg yolks, and salt. Now while adding milk, mix. Mix a little bit. Next add the cream. Mix for a little bit. And cook it in medium heat until it becomes thick. The pudding is thickened. Now let's switch off the heat. And now take another bowl. Now add the DDL to the bowl. Let's keep this aside. Take the whisk. Mix a little bit. Next add the pudding and then mix it again. Now mix. Okay, now I'm gonna sieve the pudding mix into another bowl. Now let's transfer it into these cups. Okay, now let's start transferring. Okay, now refrigerate for at least 2 hours until set. After refrigerating for a couple of hours, the pudding is set. Let's decorate. I'm using whipped cream. Okay, now caramel syrup. Finally, crushed butterscotch nuts. Dulce De Leche Pudding is ready. Taste time! Yummy! So yummy! Yummy! Please do try this at home and tell me how it came out. Thanks for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube HD. Bye! Mwah.